At the Biologix Center for Optimum Health, our therapies are designed to work together in synergy, offering highly tailored, precision treatments that restore your body's natural ability to heal itself. Methylene Blue IV Therapy is an amazing synergistic therapy within our all-inclusive programs of care. It's known for supporting mitochondrial function, boosting energy production, and enhancing detoxification. Methylene Blue works at the cellular level, donating electrons to mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, to increase ATP production, your body's main energy source. Research also shows that methylene blue, in combination with synergistic therapies, may help dissolve the amyloid plaques seen in MS and Alzheimer's, and the fibrous polymer clots seen in vaccine-injured individuals, all while gently detoxifying the body. To further enhance its benefits, we often combine methylene blue IV therapy with our extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation, or EBOO. This synergy helps restore balance and vitality, amplifying the effects of both treatments. At the Biologix Center, methylene blue IV therapy is included in your personalized care plan at no additional cost if it's appropriate for your unique treatment protocol, ensuring you receive the care that's right for you. Our goal is to enhance your vitality and help you achieve optimal health through time-tested, research-backed treatments that work in harmony with your body's natural healing abilities. Discover the restorative power of methylene blue therapy at the Biologix Center for Optimum Health.